Good evening, mate. It's almost bedtime or dinner time, whenever. I'm gonna do the last part of Chhinkni challenge. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hey, why don't we do this more often, bro? Just chilling. You and me. Choco. Right. That's why.
Chips Ahoy with Hershey's chocolate. And now, a new fudge-filled cookie.
How does Apartments.com maintain the superhuman levels of productivity necessary to help more renters get into new homes than any other site? It's really as simple as taking that old power nap once in a while. And cock a doodle ski, wakey. That should clear out the digital cobwebs for a few months or so. Apartments.com, the most
Ready? 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm gonna cough and sneeze during that. Last part.
16 times in a row. Most awarded for network quality. 27 times in a row. Nobody builds networks. That's why there's only one best network. Thanks. With new frozen chips Wawa, your summer journeys can be just as epic as your summer destinations.
Best beach day ever.
Chips Ahoy handcrafted beverage, now at Wawa.
Verizon Fios makes moving easy. No matter where you go. Whether you're looking for a little more space, or maybe a lot. Make sure you bring the important stuff, like your current TV and internet plan. With flexible install times to fit your schedule, and the Fios TV app to keep you watching while you move, you can feel right at home and faster. Learn more at Verizon.com/movers or call 866-BZ-MOVES.
Wawa is your beverage.
Shake, Ciara. Shake it every night.
Plus, any Lay's, Ruffles, or Doritos, all for $3.
I'm gonna shake it till it spills.
Gotta have a Wawa. Limited time offer, see store for details.
Did that cloud taste sweet to you? Yes, but where?
I think I know.
I'm trying to get this open. I can't get it open.
Together again. I'm sure you'll remember my next trick.
No. Don't do this.
I like the boy, and all the love after midnight warms my dead heart. Give me the key. You don't have to hurt anyone. Just tell us, where is the clock? The clock is under a witch's hex. You'll never find it. This is over. Isaac, please.
I gotta sneeze.
I want this that isn't completely dead. I was dead long before I died.
During the war, we all did.
Oh, on the contrary. It's when I met my teacher. My unit had been caught in an ambush. I never did. I stomped into the black forest for days. I chanted every spell I knew with one thought only: make me powerful enough to end this, to erase the horrors I had witnessed.
Something's making me sneeze.
I saw him. He offered me something to drink. For a small price, of course. Suddenly, I had it. The blueprints for the clock. In my mind.
I can feel it coming.
Clear as day.
But this time, I'm gonna use a Q-tip.
It wasn't even a human. It was a demon, you reckless idiot. You saw it. Yes, yes. Azazel, to be exact. Before its prince of hell. Oh, he gave me a wonderful. The greatest magic ever. I'm going to make people disappear. Spin the world back until the dawn of time. All that we left. So that
You don't go back to the time. Humans will all just start over again.
no. I'll make sure people are never born this time. With the help of a friend.
Lucy's parents don't die in that awful crash. Your husband and sweet little girl won't be killed.
They'll never have existed. No people. No war. Now, Jonathan. Florence? Now would be a good time for a little magic. Of all people, Florence, I thought you'd want this. I know what losing your family did to you. You're too sad and broken to work any real magic.
Maybe I was. But now, I'm done.
I think I'm all done for now. I think I'm losing my voice and my throat and my vocal cords.